Hello guys, my name is David and today we're going to talk about DNS and HTTP servers and how they're interconnected and networking. So initially we have one end user here, and then we have the DNS server, and then we have another HTTP server. So here what is happening is, here what the scenario is all about, how the end user can access the web pages present in the HTTP server. So this is how it's done. When the end user gives the URL, the URL is first sent to the DNS server. Then the DNS server has the record, which is the record for mapping IP addresses to the URL. So it gives back the IP address to the user. Then the user contacts this IP address. This IP address belongs to the HTTP server. So when the user connects to when the user requests the HTTP server to send the web page, it does. So how does this work is, we see it in simulation. So here the end user uses the browser. He gives in www.example.com, and now when he clicks go, the packet is created where the IP address has to be the DNS packet, like the packet for obtaining the IP address is set. So it goes, connects the router, and then it reaches the DNS server. So once it reaches the DNS server, here we can see something called the DNS header, DNS query. So now it is asking for the URL www.example.com, and once we see the output bar, then here for the DNS query it gives back a DNS answer for example.com, the IP address as 172.16.1.129. So this address is sent back to the client machine. Now the client machine is contacting the HTTP server. So it goes forward, then it is sending back the response. So a TCP connection was established, and now the HTTP packet is being transferred. So it happens like that. And now towards the end we give autoplay. So that's done. So let's see how our web page looks like. So here's our web page, and now this is the web page which has small quick links. So it is still requesting for So for one quick link we reach out. This is the initial home page. So once we click a quick link, it again contacts the HTTP server to get its IP address and back. So for images it picks up another HTTP packet. So that's all for HTTP and DNS. One more small thing is how is it communicating. So here we give the IP address for this for this PC, and we give the default gateway, and this here is the DNS server's IP address. Without this, the PC will not know where to ask around for the URL's IP address. So this has to be given, and in the server, in the DNS server, here we have DNS. Here is how do we add a record. So this is the URL name we are supposed to give. Suppose if I want to give www.example2.com, and I have to specify its IP address where it is supposed to be found. That's all. How do you configure it? And thank you for your patience.